Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, guys. And if you need to find where your ASD relay is located, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today. We have a special video, okay, that talks what is ASD relay and why it's so important for your Dodge vehicle. So we'll have it on the channel. We'll explain how we can test that relay also, and if you still have problems, we'll explain what else to look for. So very helpful information will be shared. Make sure it's until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage will be making at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On Dodge Challenger we'll have even more. We'll be taking completely apart engines, transmission. We'll be fixing almost anything, guys. And if you have any questions or you want to see a specific video, just drop a comment below. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. If you need to buy any parts for your Dodge, fuses, relays for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can save a ton of money. So we specifically, guys, have a 2018 Dodge Challenger. This one is a 3.6 engine, but even if you have a different engine, 5.7, 6.2, it will still work. Right here, guys, this is the fuse box that we have. Now, right here we have one notch here on this side, one there. You squish towards each other, you pull it straight up. If you pull it that way, okay, you will notice that this layout of relays and fuses corresponds to what we have here. The ASD relay is super important. We have a special video that talks about that, but without that relay, your car will not run. If that relay doesn't work, your car will not work. Now, this is the relay right here, guys. This is known as a relay 63, okay? 1, 2, 3, the third relay. If you want to see how to test relays in just a couple minutes, guys, or fuses, we'll have a special video that will teach you how to do that, and I'll put the link in the description of the video below. How to test relays, it's super easy, guys. Check it out and it will teach you all about that. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If your Dodge Challenger does not start still, we have a special video that's called Dodge Challenger cranks but does not start, and it will teach you what you need to look for and what else could be causing that problem. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.